How to sum all the values in a dictionary. Let's say I have a dictionary in which the keys map to integers like. Is there a syntactically minimalistic way to return the sum of the values in D, i.e. 62 in this case?
As you'd expect.
In Python 2 you can avoid making a temporary copy of all the values by using the iterValues dictionary method, which returns an iterator of the dictionary's keys. In Python 3 you can just use d.values because that method was changed to do that, and iterValues was removed since it was no longer needed. To make it easier to write version-independent code which always iterates over the values of the dictionary's keys, a utility function can be helpful. This is essentially what Benjamin Peterson's 6 module does.
Sure there is. Here is a way to sum the values of a dictionary.
You can do it using the for loop.
Sum d.values. D greater than your dictionary variable.